Search Daily Telegraph $1 now. Conditions apply.
Play hard and score big at HSB's Colorado Sports Cat Demonstrator Sale. Get massive savings across the entire Sports Cat range, including the Sports Cat Plus, with sports suspension, decoupling anti-roll bar, AP racing brakes and rugged HSB sports styling. But stock is strictly limited, so if you want to score one of the best sports 4x4s on ground for less, race into your HSB dealer before it's game over.
Some people say Cone Bay Ocean Barramundi from the pristine waters of the Kimberley is the world's best barramundi. So next time you're dining out, don't assume it's Aussie Barra. Always ask.
Is it Cone Bay Ocean Barramundi?
Introduce.
Did you grow up throwing red shells in Mario Kart and playing Crash Bandicoot? Head to pressstart.com.au for the latest in video game news, reviews, and find out where to get the cheapest games at release. Press Start, for every gamer.
Facts before jump with race comments. Download the Neds app today and get access to your punter's toolbox. Neds, it's time to bet. Gamble responsibly.
Hey Australia, I'm wearing a rocket pack to demonstrate just how fast iiNet's NBN plans are. Choice has named iiNet as Australia's best NBN provider for speed and customer satisfaction. Woohoo! And all 24-month plans come with an included home phone line, Wi-Fi modem, and 24/7 support. So call 13 19 17 to check availability today. Woohoo!
Lionel, do you know our Chinese New Year tradition, Bingley?
Yes, Mum. We offer all our customers a gift.
And you must be giving with the right etiquette.
An air ticket.
Lionel, as an etiquette.
How about a bonus 10% Bingley gift card if you spend $200 or more? Would that be right?
You will be right, all right.
A bonus 10% gift card at Bingley.
It's your Chinese New Year's gift from Bingley.
Exclusions apply. See bingley.com.au for details.
Take advantage of the Back to Work sale at all United Tool stores with exclusive deals across all the big brands like Makita, Milwaukee, Hikoki, Metabo, Sidchrome and more. There's bonus batteries, radios, blowers, grinders, drills and more on selected products. Go to unitedtools.com.au.
Due to the recent hailstorm, Mannheim Moorbank is offering more than 500 hail-affected vehicles for sale at 9 a.m. this Saturday. The massive one-day-only auction features many near-new vehicles, including Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Kia, Holden, Mazda and more. Visit mannheim.com.au to see what's on offer or view the vehicles at Mannheim Moorbank today and tomorrow. These vehicles are all drivable and repairable, so don't miss your chance to secure a great deal at Mannheim this Saturday.
Licence number MD17890.
A drive home that's pretty loose. This is Kennedy Malloy.
Mick Malloy's Sports Wrap.
Oh, we're talking about.
Is this new?
No. You pay attention. Unless you're hosting it, you really don't care, do you?
I do. What about Mick Malloy's sports report?
What are you reading?
What do you mean?
Attention.
I'm not reading anything. Look. It's just my phone on silent.
Right,
I'm not reading nothing.
I don't know what goes on.
Pay attention.
Now listen, this is my segment which I've been doing for 2 years now. It's a sports report.
Okay.
But today, Jane, I would like to highlight some the more humiliating sporting performances. This comes after South Australia bowled out a South African side at the National Indigenous Cricket Championships for 10. How good is this?
Sick.
Well done, girls. The New South Wales women's side demolished their South African counterparts in the Northern Territory, bowling them out for 10 in 10 point.